Hello everyone, we are from Remarkable View to explain our features. SeaBank is a digital banking platform and now wants to expand to investment feature. There are some main requirements and good to have requirements for the features around investment transactions. They also have several problems for new users that are not familiar with investment.
We also create the user persona from the problem in the case. And we also create several analyses like SWOT and the Fishbone for the problem analysis.
Now I will explain about the user experience design process. The first step is product definition. In this step, we are creating wireframe. Product research, we are understanding industry standards and identifying opportunities for the product. The third step is analysis. We are creating user persona. Then design, we are creating user interface, and I will show it in the next slide. So this is the deliverables. Let's start from the home. Next, knowledge and learning tools that can help new users to understand how to use this application and familiar terms in this application. Next. Then for the stocks page to show stocks information.
And here's the comparison menu. So in this menu, a user can compare the graphic and the statistic of two stocks. And here's the search menu. And in the transaction menu, the user can deposit, withdraw, and see the transaction history, or do profile risk assessment and try the feature, the new feature, which is the investment simulation. Here's for the portfolio review. So user can see what stocks they have and what mutual funds they have.
And then we create additional feature, which is trivia along with the answers to improve users' knowledge about investment. And then we have investment simulation to give overview about investing in several years. And then the main requirement is risk profile with several questions and overview about the user's risk profile. That is all from us. Thank you for your attention.